Thank you for coming by. This is American Project. Please be sure to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. I need your help, and I thank you very much. Well, if Donald Trump is reelected, we can thank Letitia James, according to the Spectator. Letitia James, the New York Attorney General, has been a prominent legal antagonist of Donald Trump. She has relentlessly pursued legal actions against him and his family. Recently, after a lengthy investigation and prosecution, Judge Arthur F. Engoron ruled against the Trumps and the Trump Organization. The ruling imposed fines of $355 million, approximately £280 million, plus interest on the former First Family for fraudulently inflating the value of their assets to secure more favorable loan terms. However, it's essential to recognize that James' pursuit of Trump has been highly politicized. She has expressed strong animosity towards the Trumps, referring to him as an illegitimate president. Her actions have been criticized as biased and driven by personal vendetta rather than impartial application of the law. As the legal battles continue, Trump maintains that the justice system has been weaponized against him, and James' role exemplifies this. Whether her actions will impact the outcome of the election remains to be seen, but she has undeniably played a significant role in the ongoing legal saga surrounding Trump. As a result of this seriously out-of-control far-leftist Manhattan Supreme Court Justice Arthur Engoron, truckers are boycotting New York. According to the New York Post, Trump-supporting truckers vow their boycott could shut New York City down after $355 million fraud ruling. The Post reports truckers supporting Donald Trump are warning that their refusal to deliver to the Big Apple could paralyze New York City, as more drivers vow to join the boycott following the bombshell ruling in the former president's civil fraud case. It could shut down New York City, said Jennifer Hand, a trucker who has joined in the protest against Manhattan Supreme Court Justice Arthur Engoron's decision to fine Trump $355 million for inflating his net worth by billions to dupe banks and insurers. I'm not trying to hurt the people of New York. That's not what I'm trying to do, Hernandez insisted on News Nation Monday morning. But if New York loses just 10% of the trucks that go in there, their prices are going to skyrocket on everything from milk to eggs to any type of goods that consumers need. When that happens, it's going to cost everyone more money. What's of serious significance here is that finally the out-of-control, authoritarian, and decidedly corrupt New York legal establishment is being taken on. And it's particularly interesting to see that just common Joes are doing it all the way up to billionaires. Shark Tank investor Kevin O'Leary ripped into what he called loser New York and vowed to no longer invest in the state when asked about a New York court's $355 million verdict against former President Trump last week. This award, just leaving the whole Trump thing out of it and seeing what occurred here, and I'm no different than any other investor, I'm shocked at this, O'Leary said in an interview Monday with Fox Business. I can't even understand or fathom the decision at all. There's no rationale for it. The award was part of New York Attorney General Letitia James' lawsuit against the former president, the Trump Organization, and his executives, based on more than a decade of fraud, and capped off a months-long civil fraud trial in the state. O'Leary, the chairman of O'Leary Ventures, argued New York was already a loser state, citing policy, high taxes, and uncompetitive regulation as primary reasons. It was already on the top of the list of being a loser state. I would never invest in New York now, O'Leary said. And I'm not the only person saying that. And there you have it. Thanks for coming by. Please be sure to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and have a great day. God bless.